Don't teach your young ones about the birds and the bees. They might get a bit confused. Birds have a cloaca, a three-way arse, through which they defecate, urinate, or to be more unrefined and coarse like me, piss and shit, and lay eggs. To make little chickens, they basically bang their asses together in what's called a cloacal kiss. I don't know what sounds worse, ass banging or cloacal kiss. Bugger that for a joke. So, on to bees. Bees do have willies. Things are looking up for them. But not so fast. No sooner do they have sex than the queen wants to break it off. Literally. The bee's penis is broken off and stays inside the queen while the poor male falls down and dies. Spare a thought also for the praying mantis. The female eats the poor male's head while he's trying to enjoy himself, with the excuse that she needs the protein for the eggs. She could at least wait until he's finished, particularly as his rudely decapitated body continues copulating 4 hours. Although it just goes to show that men really do think with their willies. Definitely do not teach this to your daughters. We don't want them getting ideas. So the birds and the bees might not be just confusing, but also downright disgusting and scary. I did a video about snails. What they do is really strange, but also possibly the inspiration for something romantic. There's a link at the end of the video. I'm the Social Evolutionary. Peace on, or peace off.